Hey everybody, welcome back to my show. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of relationships. And no, I'm not giving relationship advice. I'm leaving that to the experts. But I did stumble across something pretty interesting I just have to share. Get this. 87% of women say they feel more attracted to someone when touched in a very specific spot. You're probably wondering where this magical spot is, right? Well, hold on to your hats because we're about to break it all down. And trust me, you're going to want to take notes. We're talking about those subtle touches that can make all the difference in your interactions. So stick around because you won't want to miss this. Secret spot 1, the shoulder, a touch of trust. Alright, let's jump right in with the first spot, the shoulder. Think about it, a gentle touch on the shoulder, it's like a little burst of warmth, you know? It's not too forward, it's not too aggressive, it's just right. Picture this. You're walking with someone, and they lightly touch your shoulder as they say something sweet or funny. It's like a little jolt of connection, a silent way of saying, hey, I'm here with you, and I like being around you. And ladies, you know it's true. It makes you feel safe, it makes you feel cared for, and it definitely increases the attraction factor. It's like they're saying, I got you, without actually having to say the words. And the best part? It works both ways. Guys, a gentle touch on her shoulder, whether you're out on a date or just hanging out, can really make her feel special. It's a subtle way to show her that you're paying attention, that you care, and that you're physically present with her. And trust me, that kind of attention goes a long way. So don't underestimate the power of a shoulder touch, folks. It can make all the difference in creating a connection that's both comfortable and exciting. Secret spot 2, lower back, the intimacy zone. Now let's move on to a slightly more intimate area, but oh so effective, the lower back. Now, don't get any funny ideas. We're talking about a gentle, respectful touch here, something that says, I'm drawn to you without being too overwhelming. Think about it, the lower back, it's a vulnerable spot, it's sensitive, and a light touch there can send shivers down your spine. Okay, maybe not literally shivers, but you know what I mean. It creates this instant connection, a spark of something special. Imagine this. You're walking through a crowded room, and your partner gently guides you through with a hand on your lower back. It's protective, it's reassuring, and it definitely brings you closer together. Or you're out for dinner, and he casually rests his hand on your lower back while you're talking and laughing. It's these subtle touches that speak volumes about the connection you share. And guys, listen up. A woman's lower back, it's like a secret button for attraction. Okay, not really a button, but you get the point. A gentle touch there, it shows her you're confident, you're attentive, and you're interested. Just remember, it's all about reading the situation and the other person's body language. Secret spot 3, the arm, subtle spark, big impact. Let's talk about the arm for a second. Now this might seem like a simple one, but trust me, it's all in the delivery. A light touch on the arm, it's like a little electric current, you know? It's just enough to get your attention and make you feel something. Think about it. You're telling a story and the person you're with gently touches your arm as you make a funny point. It's like they're saying, I'm with you, I'm listening, and I think you're adorable. And who doesn't love to feel adorable? Or imagine this. You're walking side by side and your hands brush against each other. It's a fleeting moment, but it leaves you wanting more. It's like a little taste of intimacy that can be incredibly intoxicating. And guys, the arm is a great place to start if you're feeling a little shy or unsure. It's not as forward as a touch on the lower back, but it's still incredibly effective in creating a connection. Just remember, keep it light, keep it brief, and let the moment speak for itself. Secret spot 4, hand-holding, a classic for a reason. Okay, let's talk about hand-holding. It's a classic for a reason, people. It's like the universal sign for we're together or I like you, like a lot. It's amazing how such a simple gesture can make you feel so connected to another person. Think about it. Holding hands, it's like intertwining your souls for a little bit. Okay, maybe that's a little dramatic, but you get the idea. It's intimate, it's comforting, and it shows the world that you're a team. Imagine this. You're walking down the street, hand in hand with your loved one, and you just feel this sense of contentment wash over you. It's like nothing else matters in that moment but the two of you and the connection you share. And let's not forget about the power of a good hand squeeze. You know what I'm talking about? It's like a silent way of saying, I'm here for you, I'm proud of you, or you got this. So don't underestimate the power of a good handhold, folks. Secret spot 5. The face. Handle with care, spark attraction. Now this last one, the face, it's a bit more advanced. But when done right, oh my goodness, it's electric. But I'm serious, folks. This one requires caution. The face is a very personal space, and a touch here should be reserved for someone you're really comfortable with. Think about it. A gentle caress on the cheek, a tuck of hair behind the ear, or even just a light touch on the chin as you gaze into each other's eyes. It's intimate, it's romantic, and it sends shivers down your spine. But remember, it's all about reading the other person's cues. If you're not sure if they're comfortable with a touch on the face, just ask. It's always better to err on the side of caution than to make someone feel uncomfortable. Now imagine this. You're saying goodbye and your partner gently cups your face in their hands and gives you a soft kiss. It's a moment you'll cherish forever. So if you're feeling bold and the moment feels right, don't be afraid to explore a touch on the face. Just remember, be gentle, be respectful, and let the sparks fly. So there you have it. Those are just a few of the secret spots that can really make a difference in your love life. Remember, it's all about being genuine, respectful, and paying attention to your partner's cues. A simple touch can speak volumes, creating a deeper connection and igniting those sparks of attraction. So go ahead, give it a try. You might be surprised at the power of a little touch. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and insightful relationship tips. Until next time, keep on laughing, keep on loving, and keep on touching. In all the right ways, of course.